هذه أذكى طريقة لحفظ أهم العبارات الإنجليزية عن طريق تغيير كلمة واحدة فقط. سوف تدرس 20 عبارة وسوف نجعلها 100 عبارة.
Tell me. Tell me. Give me. Give me. Give me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Ask me. Ask me. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Remind me. Remind me. Find me. Find me. Find me. Call me. Call me. Call me. That's good. That's good. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's important. That's important. That's different. That's different. That's easy. That's easy. Come with me. Come with me. Walk with me. Walk with me. Walk with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Eat with me. Eat with me. Work with me. Work with me. Who is he? Who is he? Who is she? Who is she? Who is that? Who is that? Who is the best? Who is the best? Who is there? Who is there? Do you have? Do you have? Do you think? Do you think? Do you think? Do you like? Do you like? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you agree? Do you agree? Don't go. Don't go. Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't travel. Don't travel. Don't come. Don't come. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you. I hate you. I hate you. I miss you. I miss you. I love you. I love you. Where is he? Where is he? Where is she? Where is she? Where is the man? Where is the man? Where is the mask? Where is the mask? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? When do you sleep? When do you go? When do you study? When do you get back? When do you begin? When do you get up? How about you? How about me? How about Tom? How about my father? How about the problem? This is your car. This is your job. This is your enemy. This is your boss. This is your mistake. This is your room. I have to go. I have to remember. I have to wait. I have to visit. I have to study. I have to take it. Why are you sad? Why are you tired? Why are you late? Why are you angry? Why are you happy? Why are you afraid? There is no doubt. There is no one. There is no place. There is no spoon. There is no difference. There is no reason. I was there. I was strong. I was remorseful. I was upset. I was ill. What is this? What is that? What is the difference? What is the point? What is the matter? Have a nice day. Have a nice trip. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice evening. Have a nice time.